Hello, this is Cybergiant. Today I'm going to talk about the Greenlight card. What it is an app that you can use for it's for designed for like teens and adults to trade stocks, bonds, and other types of funds, can be commodities and so forth. What they offer is you first enter your mobile phone number and get started. Greenlight gives every kid an edge and teaches them about how to money management and investing fundamentals with real money, real stocks, and real life lessons. First thing they'll do is they'll give you a digital card, so like a debit card, so you can deposit the money every time you make the investment, make a profit. And they give you customer support if you need help with Greenlight app, how it works, and how to invest. And it has identity theft protection on it to monitor and alert restoration for the whole family. And it has a cell phone protection coverage for damaged, lost, or stolen phones for up to 5 kids. And it has a purchase protection for which will cover repair or replace items that are stolen or damaged. It'll teach you how to do like investment, hands-on experience, and jumpstart their financial future. And they have a small video. This is just be a simple video. With disclaimer, I do not make any money promoting the Greenlight app or any of its affiliate programs. I only make a small commission based on like anything I post under the video for, and I make a small commission by promoting the company products that I joined for the affiliate program. Okay, they got investment research tools for you. Give you analysis powered by Morningstar. Approvals in real time. Investment dashboard. Track your progress and learn how the market works. And it's available to download on Google Play Store and Apple Play Store. Let's go to the investment section. Here, it doesn't really specify anything, so it's pretty much the same information. So they're also, so let's say how to contact the company. Here, part of Virginia security company will be for the security system. You can stay in touch with them on Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram. Okay, let's see. You have pricing. Let's check the pricing. And I'll provide some info on it. Okay, man. So prepaid cards, almost like a gift card. Alright, $4.99 monthly fee per month for one family. Family up to 5 kids. They charge investment fee of $7.98. If you use the Greenlight Max, they charge you $9.98 per month. ATM withdrawals are 0. Card replacement is $3.50. Card replacement express delivery fee, that's optional. It's $24.99, one-time fee. Or a custom card fee will be provide some information on. And everything's managed by the federal FDIC. Alright. They only insured funds up to $250,000 based on banking laws. There's no overdraft or credit feature. You can contact the company on 1-800-888-483-2645 or send them a mailed letter at 303 Peachtree Street, New England, Suite 4300, Atlanta, Georgia 30308, or visit greenlightcar.com. Or you have any complaints, complain to the CFBF for prepaid account. These are also, there are other types of fees, but they're relatively the same information, just summarized. Also, next I'm going to talk about their affiliate programs. Okay, let's see how much they pay for their commission. Greenlight affiliate program. Okay, you can join the team. Just enter your first name, last name, email, username, password, company information if you have one, street address, zip code, phone number, type of currency you want to be paid in, US, Australian dollar, Euro, and GBP or British pound. It's like a partner type. You can do it by email or loyalty rewards. Okay. If you refer a customer to them, online lead, they'll pay you $35 per order, and they pay active or locked for 15 days. And actions on invoice 17 days after they lock. Improvement. Okay. So pay you takes about 10 days. 15 days for actions. 17 days invoice. Qualified referrals, credit policy, last click. Referral when no clicks within 30 days. So promotion types. Okay. You can do YouTube, social network. Let's choose email since it's simple. Let's create an account. I'll just use my real name. Let's see what account. Just see the inside. So far, just pay you $35 per order. I think it's like per person that makes an order. Create password. Okay. They also want to know your state, so I'll just put a state in here. Let's see. This is an example, so it's not my real address. It's just like an address says real. It just is gonna be used. Let's see. Let me go get the business card. Give me a sec. Okay, choose your standard time zone. Doesn't make a difference right there. The sign up button should get you in. Okay, the thing didn't go through because the password is awake. Okay, I'll create a password. Let's see what we got. Type my email again. Enter the phone number. Okay, the sign up list. Again. Sign up with your social media. Oh. Oh. Have to re-enter again. Alright. Sign up button. You should be able to get you in. But if it doesn't work, it must be like something wrong on their server. Okay, let's do the website way. Let's see if this will work. This if it doesn't sign in, so it may have some like glitches on their end. Everything's in the instructions going through fine. Okay. Then activate account, then go inside and go activate it. So I just want to show you for the purpose of this video. When you go inside, usually it's like pretty much gonna set up your payment method, how you want to be paid. PayPal, direct deposit, or a prepaid card, I would assume. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video with everyone so they know about Greenlight financial technology and how to make money on the affiliate program and learn about stocks, bonds, and other types of forms of investments. And I hope to see you guys again next time. Goodbye.